Adab. My name is Anzal Jaffari and I am a senior social development and policy student studying at Habib University. At Habib University, we offer different and unique majors. Today, we will be exploring one of the majors, social development and policy. And in order to do that, I will be interviewing the Program Director for Social Development and Policy, Dr. Aqdas Afzal. Adab, sir.
Adab.
Dr. Afzal, my first question to you is, can you describe the Social Development and Policy program for us? And also how and what makes this program unique?
Okay, so thank you for that question. As you know, the major or the program Social Development Policy is a very interesting major because it combines different disciplines. We have anthropologists, we have political scientists, we have sociologists, and then there are economists like myself. And so our students identify a problem and then they look at that problem from the perspective of all these different disciplines, which is what makes this program interdisciplinary. So to answer your question about how this program is unique in Pakistan, I want you to remember three words.
Sure.
Number one, intersectionality. Number two, critical analysis. And number three, interdisciplinarity. Now, I've already explained to you what interdisciplinarity is.
Absolutely.
Let's talk about intersectionality. Intersectionality means that we try to identify the intersection or what is common between different disciplines. And then that's how we go about studying those problems. And the third thing was critical analysis. Critical analysis doesn't mean that you are going to be critiquing or you're going to be developing a negative analysis about something. When we talk about the critical approach, we identify big problems, we take the perspective from different disciplines, we look at it from an intersectionality lens, and we apply a critical analysis. That makes this program unique in Pakistan. To the best of my knowledge, no other university in Pakistan are going to offer you the ability or the opportunity to look at one major structural problem facing Pakistan, like poverty for instance, and looking at it from the perspective of all these different disciplines.
Dr. Afzal, another question which the students might ask, that what are the career prospects for social development and policy graduates?
Okay, so career prospects are many, various, and it is up to the student because we are basically going to give you the skills that are going to enable you to succeed as a leader in any organization that you choose to join. Now, where have our students found employment? They have found employment in multinationals, in banks, in NGOs. Some of them are working in publishing houses. So the list is endless. There is no organization in my mind that graduates of SDP could not join and contribute towards.
A subsequent question to this is, what are some opportunities the program offers to students of other majors?
Okay, so right now, other students from other majors can do a minor in SDP. So SDP makes it accessible, all this knowledge accessible to students of other majors. So you can also do an SDP minor. I would really like to highlight at this stage the languages requirement that we have in SDP. Our students have to take 3 courses in one of the national languages of Pakistan. These languages then enable them to carry out field work in different areas of Pakistan. One of our students who did an undergraduate thesis on water, he was working in one of the big distribution stations in Dhabeji. So when he was in Dhabeji and he was conducting research, so Sindhi skills came in very handy.
Dr. Afzal, what are some specific notable projects of students which you would like to mention and highlight?
I want to talk to you about current project that I'm also very proud of, and this project was done in an environmental economics course that I taught And I challenged a group of students, and I said, you guys have to come up with ways in which we could turn this university towards a solar grid, so that instead of using electricity contributing to greenhouse gases and climate change, give me solutions how we could turn this university into solar energy. And I'm very happy to tell you that the kind of work that these 4 students did, it was phenomenal. They even calculated the discounted cash flows, and they showed that this investment indeed made sense for the university to invest in solar energy.
Thank you so very much, sir, for taking out
Thank
time
you.
and answering questions in such detail. I hope it will be of great benefit to the student community.